This is part 2 for Grace Boyd boiler install. We're going to have to run a new 120 volt dedicated electric line over to the boiler because the current one does not use electric. It's a gravity boiler. So it has a new panel, and then you can see there's plenty of spots open, which is good. Square D breakers there. So we'll need a 15 amp breaker, single pole, and then we're going to need to run that up. Let's see, this is a Challenger Square D panel too. No, sorry, Square D panel, Square D breakers, and it's a. Let me get on that breaker there so you can see. If it'll zoom. It's not wanting to. But anyway, you can see it's just a standard Square D breaker. And then we're going to need, let's see, the electric line. 14 gauge for this is going to be plenty for just the pump. And we're going to need probably a roll of, bring about 60 foot of electric just to be safe. 60 foot, 14 gauge breaker, that'll be good. And then one thing I forgot to mention over here at the boiler, get over here real quick. So all the supply and the returns that tie into the boiler here, you got 2 on the right and 2 on the left. Everything's 2-inch, okay? So when you're adapting from the new Buderus boiler up to the old piping, everything is 2-inch. This is two on this, 2 on this guy, and then the same over here, 2-inch and 2-inch. So luckily there's unions too on all 4 of them as well, so that'll help make life much easier, so save time as well. So that should be it. Thanks.